Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with the delightful, beautiful, wonderful, enigmatic Vicky Tsai, the founder of Tatcha.
It is my honor. I'm not worthy.
Stop, I'm not worthy. Let's do a lot of Wayne's World.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy!
We are delighted. I keep saying delighted, but it's like, as someone in my very close company in the business says, exceptional. It's an exceptional time frame because we are thrilled that you have given us the Silk Serum in our kit.
It's so exciting.
Who knew that that would be like, when I used to go and stalk Tatcha in the US before you were available here, and I used to go over and people would say, what do you get when you're in the US that we can't get here? And I'd say Tatcha. Yeah, there's other random bits. There's generally more makeup, but I'd be like Tatcha. And then I remember harassing people and going, when you come to the UK, and they would say, maybe in 2022, maybe 2023, like just speculating. I was like, can we not speculate? I need times and dates, please. Can we hustle? So thank you.
In the meantime, I've been watching you from all the way over there, and I'm dreaming of the day that I get to meet you. So this is a dream come true.
And now you're here in our lovely, hot, sweaty studio.
So honored.
But the most exciting news is that Vicky, has given us in the kit the Silk Serum. So what is it? Tell us what the Silk Serum is. I will do a nice shot to camera. Please hold.
Absolutely. The Silk Serum is for firmer,
Bloopers.
radiant, smoother, brighter skin, all in one. If you love the benefits of retinol and you love the benefits of vitamin C, but you've got more delicate skin, I brought a hive for you so you can see I've got the delicate skin. It's also very, very soothing. So it's got 3 key ingredients. It's got upcycled cranberry extract.
Upcycled?
Yes, because we want to be sustainable. And it helps with the skin turnover. And so you've got that really smooth, bright skin and also collagen synthesis, which is super fun. It's got sea fennel, which is super soothing. And then it's got Hada 3 in there. Hada 3 is green tea, rice, and seaweed that's fermented twice.
That's in everything, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, and it goes 34% deeper into the skin than water. So it's able to carry the active ingredients down deeper to do its best work.
I mean, it's a stroke of genius.
Oh.
And I love that. I know we're filming this before, but I know you freaks well, and I know we will have had a ridiculously crazy reaction to it being in the kit. Why did you create it? I always think it's mainly something for yourself. Like you say, if you've got a sensitized skin,
Indeed.
you're not going to make a super harsh vitamin A product.
Yeah, so it's a couple things. One, I was pregnant and breastfeeding when I was developing everything, and I have very, very delicate skin. So I always loved the benefits of retinol before I had skin sensitivity, before I was pregnant, but then I couldn't use it anymore. And so I just wanted to create something for people who were looking for the benefits, but were outside of the retinol category. So that's how we created it.
I mean, it's perfect in a way because it fits in seamlessly. We have all the other product here, but it fits in seamlessly to the other sort of, I call them franchises because I think like restaurants, which is just bizarre. I know, don't judge. But it fits in with all of your other ranges because you can just slip it in as sort of an added extra.
We say there's no wrong way to Tatcha. You can really mix and match
that.
any way that you want. Less is more. That's the only thing because little goes a long way.
It does. I'll have some of that. I'll just text them. And who needs this product? Who is it for? Is it for a 20-year-old or someone who's a bit older with sensitized skin? Because if it's a retinol alternative, you're not really, I imagine, aiming it towards teenagers.
If teenagers, you're fine.
Yeah.
But I think what's great is that Japanese skincare is about both prevention and long-term care. So I think if you're looking for the benefits of retinol to keep the gorgeous skin that you've got, or you have slightly more mature skin and you're looking for brighter, smoother, tauter skin, you can use it, in all of these age ranges.
Could you give us a quick, before we run out of our 5 minutes and we get shouted at, would you give us a quick, like your perfect routine?
Yes.
And where this would slip in? So cleanse.
Easy breezy cover girl. Yes. So the first thing I would do.
Easy breezy cover girl.
I probably
like
shouldn't
that.
say that. Let me do that over again. Yes.
No, easy breezy cover girl. We're going to use that as the title.
Oh hell no. First step is cleansing. So you take off your makeup. Second step is polishing. So exfoliating very, very gently every single day. Third step would be the essence.
My favorite.
So increases the hydration of your skin by over 600% instantly. And then your serum right here. And then your moisturizer, any moisturizer that you want. And because you are my dewy queen, I would finish with the dewy moisturizer for you. So
I do love a bit of dewy.
That's 5 steps. It takes about 2 minutes, twice a day. Very, very easy.
I'm just going to move everything out the way so everyone can see. Just trash it all out the way. Look. Cleanse, exfoliate, essence, serum, but there's no eye, and I'm sorry, but I can't. So I have to put my eye in there, and I do my eye before serum because I'm just funny. I love my eye cream because this is my favourite. So
that makes me so happy. I love that one.
Oh, it's
the eye cream. I love it. I love it.
I mean, I don't want to be disrespectful, but regulars will know that I would call that sexual. Thank you so much. Thank you for being in the kit. Thank you for, I'm sorry, everything I do is just making you freak out. I love it. But it's all right, she's one of us now, so it's fine. Thank you for being in the kit.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time today.
My honor.
And we are beyond thrilled. And anytime you want to throw anything our way for any kind of kit, anything ever, we will be very grateful.
It would be my honor. Thank you so much.